Hey guys, this is Paul. I'm going to be going over the screen recording software that I use. It's called CloudApp, and it's available for Windows, Mac, Chrome. You can see all the different things it's available for down here. This is on their website. And what I like about it is it's super subtle or low key. It just kind of stays up here when it's installed, at least on Mac. It'll stay right here, and you've got access to pretty much all the tools you need. It's really simple. Um, but what I really like is that you're able to annotate screenshots and recordings that you make really well. Uh, and that can be a super valuable tool for work or school or whatever else. And I like also that you're able to make animated GIFs um, rather than a full screen recording. Now, this is a paid software. You can use the free version, but you can only record a full video like I am right now for up to a minute. It's about $10 a month if you pay month by month, and then it's also it goes down to $9 per month if you purchase a yearly subscription. So it's not terrible. I know there are some free screen recording softwares out there, but this one I haven't experienced any bugs with, and it's super easy to use. But yeah, so you can have it saved to your computer, or you can have it automatically upload to their website. You'll make an account where all of your recordings will go. But yeah, I've had no trouble with it at all so far. I would say, although it is available in the Mac App Store, download it from their website because the App Store one isn't the latest version. So I'd say that's the only thing they need to do is update their software in the Mac App Store. Um, but yeah, overall a great screen recording software. It's super smooth. You can change the quality. Let's see here. I'll go into my settings. So yeah, you've got the ability to change all your shortcuts here. So while my other video did show how to take a screenshot on a Mac, this one provides other shortcuts for taking a screenshot through CloudApp. Um, and it gives you a couple other options that the built-in screenshot doesn't give you, like taking a delayed screenshot, um, as well as screen recording, which you can record your screen through QuickTime. However, you don't have as many options, I guess. But yeah, overall, this has been a great software so far, and I would highly recommend it. Um, Make sure though, just so you have immediate access to your videos, if you do use this software, go into preferences first and click save to computer and choose the folder you want to save it to, because if you don't, then it'll just automatically upload to their server and you'll have to download it, which takes a little bit longer. So I'd say if there was one suggestion I could make, would be for the developers to make this a default option. Otherwise, it's great. You can save or change your recording quality. I am interested as to why there's only high and medium, although I don't really care that much. Um, and then the GIF quality, you have low, medium, and high, which gives you the frames per second next to it there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions about the functionality, about this, or if you have any suggestions on other videos I should do. Thanks.